everyone, today I'm going to share some survival phrases when using the transportation here in the Visayas and Mindanao region. There are actually a few transportation that we use here in the city, and those are jeepneys, buses, taxis. We also have tricycle, we also have Trisikad, habal. So those are the transportation that we use here inland. In waters we have ferry boat, barco, bangka, lancha, and roro. Okay, so there are others, but these are the popular ones. These common phrases that I am going to share to you are very useful, especially if you meet somebody who is a local and who doesn't speak English or have little knowledge about the English language. So it is better to know some of these phrases so that you can connect with them, and also they can understand you as well. So if you know the Cebuano dialect, most of the people in the Visayas and Mindanao areas can understand you. Okay, so let's start.
Okay, asa ni padulong? Where is this going? Let's break this down. Asa is where, ni is this. Padulong means the direction, going to where. So if you are in a bus or jeepney terminal, you can just simply ask the phrase below. Just fill the blank with the location. So we have the shortcut and the long version. The shortcut is asa ang padulong blank. And the long version is asa ang bus or jeepney padulong blank. So where is the bus or jeepney going to blank? So these are examples. So asa padulong Bantayan Island, asa padulong Oslo, asa padulong Cebu City. So if you're in a bus terminal, it is already expected that you're really going to ride the bus. So you don't have to say asa ang bus padulong blank. Okay? But if there are other modes of transportation, you can specify asa ang bus or asa ang jeepney padulong blank. Okay? Okay, these are the common answers that you will hear. This one, kani. That one, kana. That over there, and then you must look at the mouth. Okay, that over there means that one. Okay, and then dili na, that means not that one. Yes, that one. O, kana. No, dili or ayaw. Okay, and yes, u. Okay, so these are the common answers that you will hear. Next, Unsa, Orasa, molarga. What time is the departure, or what time will it leave? Okay, let's break this down. Unsa, Orasa. Unsa means what. Orasa, oras means time. Molarga is, depart, or the departure, or the travel. Pila, pliti, or pila. It means how much. Okay, how much is the fare? Next is asa ka munaog. Asa ka munaog. Asa means where. Ka, you. Munaog is to alight, or where you are going to drop off. To answer that, you just need to say sa and then blank. You just fill the location. Sa, for example, sa bus terminal. Okay? The next, don't forget the polite words, the magic words. We have salamat, which is thank you, and please for palihug. Okay? There are 3 ways to inform the driver that you want to alight. The very common is lugar lang. That means I will alight here. Okay, the second one is para. That means stop. The third one is jeepney stop unya. That means you want to alight at the jeepney stop. Okay? And then don't forget also, if you really want to connect with the locals, you may use the common names. We have the Kuya, which means big brother or brother, Ate for sister or big sister. And then if you wanted to be more formal, you say, or formal, you say mom, sir, or miss. Okay, those are the common names if you want to really connect with the locals. Okay, so those are the phrases that are very useful when you are traveling here in the Visayas or in Mindanao areas. Again, if you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel. You may click here, or if you want to know more, you can visit me at cebuano11.blogspot.com. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like if you like this video and if you want to see more of this. Okay, bye bye.